Former Chiefs cheerleader who died after giving birth. Cases like hers highlight the importance of combating the rise of maternal mortality rates in the U.S.
One Overland Park mom experienced complications herself. In this Fox 4 follow-up, Reagan Porter shows us how she now dedicates herself to training healthcare professionals.
Heather Townsend is a two-time survivor of pregnancy complications. Townsend says she now works for Creche Innovations, educating and advocating for pregnant women in hospitals.
Our goal is to educate, put resources, statistics, information into the hands of clinicians across the country to help lower America's maternal mortality crisis.
Townsend is the Vice President of Clinical Education and Healthcare Design at Creche Innovations, a medical device company. They focus on ensuring hospitals have the right equipment to handle obstetrical emergencies. One way they're working to make that happen, this piece of medical equipment called the ROO.
So they're able to catch something before it spirals out of control.
They also train nearly 10,000 clinicians across the country a year. Classes cover maternal bleeding, delays in treatment, and recognizing and addressing implicit racial bias in healthcare.
Right now, the state of Kansas has the highest Black maternal mortality rate in the first 42 days after birth in the nation.
Dr. Charlotte Smith is founder and director of the Kansas Birth Equity Network at KU Medical Center. She says Black women in Kansas and Missouri are 2 to 3 times more likely to die of child-related conditions than white women. She believes one way to create change is increasing representation among Black and brown people in the medical field.
And so we could create pathway programs to increase representation of medical professionals. We can also do what we call team births, which is bring in additional specialties to help us in that birthing process.
Smith and Townsend encourage mothers to be their own advocates. Townsend says they plan to hold an online class for the public sometime within the next year. Reagan Porter, Fox 4, working for you.